The biggest trap most entrepreneurs fall into is thinking that they need more systems and more infrastructure and more automations in order to get to $50,000 a month in your business. The truth is, you've been lied to. Someone told you, hey, you need all these complex systems in order to grow, when in all reality, you need more cash, you need more clients, and you need more people paying you and whipping out their credit cards. And so that's what we're going to break down in this video. It's going to be an absolute cheat code for you. And the problem is you're probably lying to yourself, thinking you need all these systems, and you're spending way too much time completing and doing all these things. And so, look, I get it. I remember hitting my first 20, 30, 40K a month years ago, right? And thinking to myself, man, if I build this perfect automated backend, the floodgates will open. We will have so many clients coming in that we just can't handle it. Things are going to be so good. I was like trying to solve problems that weren't even there. And many of you can relate with that. But the truth is, I was struggling with cash flow. And I wasted months, felt stuck, overwhelmed, honestly burnt out. Was barely able to hang out with my wife, just like grinding 24/7 and not seeing much growth whatsoever. And the crazy part is, you don't have a systems problem, you have an acquisition problem. And we're about to solve that in this exact video, get some cash into your business, and show you the 3 steps you need to implement. So, this is not theory. If you're new to my world, my name is Boris Posykalyuk. I've scaled 2 multiple 7-figure companies, and I did it the hard way. I did it using less AI, too much team members, and too much systems, and I overcomplicated everything. And now, we've gotten to a place where we've helped over 300 agencies hit record months, and a lot of them are actually doing over $100,000 a month. Like Joel here, over 100K a month. Luke did 250K last month. Alec did 200K last month. Ben did 50K last month. Clinton did 50K last month. Reyes did 150K last month. Seb did 50K last month. Like, we have so many client results, but again, this is not theory. This is the exact system that's going to help you scale your business as well. And so, you might be asking, what is the game plan, Boris? Like, what are we going to do here, right? Here's the game plan. 1, we're going to create cash this week into your Stripe account, into your Fanbases account, that is from leads that are already in your system. They're already in your world. They're already warmed up, and we're going to make them a special offer. This is an absolute game changer. It's called a cash infusion. You want to do it in your business. That way, you can lock in and get back on track. Then we're going to take some of that cash and we're going to set up a predictable flow of new local leads in your city by using this system that we'll break down. That's step number 2. Lastly, we'll take your sales calls, objections, client proof, and set up a content system that pre-sells and has leads coming in that actually warm. And so all 3 work together, right? Because if you want to close way better, higher end retainers, higher end clients, and people that actually value your service, you can't skip any of these steps because it's just brutal. They all work together. And so let's lock in. Step number 1, special offers. If you've never done this yet, this is about to be an absolute cheat code for you. Special offers are a great way to get some quick cash. Let me break down how you can get a fast cash injection into your business. Here's the thing, mindset around special offers. Your leads that you've talked to in the past, people that you've made offers to, people that have been in your pipeline for a while, people that watch your content, people that have heard of you, people that you've, like whatever, you couldn't close, or maybe people that churned in the past, they're going to buy from someone. That's what people do. That's what business owners do. They're constantly trying to improve their state, and to improve their state of where they're at, they pay someone to get to the next level, and it better be you. And the way to be you, the way for it to be you is you got to make them feel like they got a deal. You got to make them feel like it was a no-brainer and that everything worked out in their favor. And we'll break down exactly how you can do this. We're about to make a special offer to your entire lead list. Again, phase 1, 2, 3 all work together. Phase 1, we need to get some cash in your business. That's like the one thing I want you to implement right now. So here's the steps, and I'll break down what the offers are. But here's step number 1. Use Claude or Victor AI to scrape every single sales calls or intro call you've had in the last 12 months. Everyone that's ever entered your world, you need to get a Google Sheet. And you can set this up with AI in like 10 minutes. And we have all of our clients doing this. But you could prompt it and get a list of everyone and then make it a Google Sheet and then make a checkbox next to it where it's like contacted and then another checkbox and another row, got a hold of them. That way you can start tracking where they're at in the sales process. And so first things first, again, making that lead list. I love Victor AI. We use this. It manages our entire CRM. It literally manages every single lead, tags them, moves them around, assigns leads to my team, runs the whole entire sales team, all of it. It's insane what we've been able to do with this AI agent. But if you just want the basics, Claude, Victor, doesn't matter. Scrape all the leads you've had in the last 12 months, and then we're going to text, email, and call every single one of them over and over and over again with value and offers. And I'll break down what the offers are, but you need to hit them everywhere that they're seeing you. And a cheat code for this as well is post some Instagram stories about the special offer as well, right? And so you want it to be like congruent everywhere, where they see the special offer and they see that there's less spots available for everyone. So my mentality when we get leads in our pipeline is buy or block mentality. The reason I have such a good return on my ad spend, and the reason our company right now is doing over $300,000 a month, is because we don't let leads die. We're constantly warming them up. We have a CRM that's constantly warmed up, and we know exactly where leads are at in the exact buying cycle. And so my point here is you always want to follow up over and over and over again more than you're comfortable with, because it's a limiting belief to think, oh man, if I keep following up, I'm going to lose the lead. I'm going to burn the lead. Bro, you already lost the lead. They're buying from someone else because you're not following up with them and providing value, right? And so buy or block mentality, get after it. Get after those leads. So there are different ways to make special offers. There's a price reduction offer. There is extra time and support offer. Ad spend. You can do more time, or you can add ad spend. So this is ad right here. Ad credit offer. I'm going to break down each one very briefly. But basically, you guys can mix and match. You could do these two, you could do these two, you could do all four, you could do whatever. It's your business. That's one thing most entrepreneurs need to understand. Just because you've been selling one thing at one price point doesn't mean you can't do a special offer for someone or a special promotion. We constantly do re-engagement offers and constantly do this to get hot leads back on. Majority, 95% of the time, we close them on the spot because our offer is a freaking grand slam offer. But sometimes we will do this. Around the holidays, we'll do this just to offset the crazy influx with ad spend and the crazy rates there. But point is, you can make special offers at any point. And basically, I think the extra time and price reduction offers are like the weakest ones personally, right? And so I think that they're valuable when they're stacked up together because it looks like a grand slam offer. But hey, you're gonna get the same white glove services, just saving you $1,000. It's not that strong, but it's hey, you're gonna save $1,000. You're gonna get in for less than what the previous guy bought in yesterday, and we're gonna give you extra support and time. We're gonna add an extra 2 months to your offer and we're gonna give you a $500 ad credit. That way you can get leads in through the door every single day. That's a grand slam offer, and so you can mix and match these. And you can make up random offers at any point. This is something I learned from one of my mentors, Joel Kaplan. And I paid him a lot of money to learn a lot of different things. But one thing I took away was, he's like, you can make offers at any point. Put your ego to the side. Make offers at any point. It doesn't have to be, if you close someone and it was less than what average client pays you, you still close them. Your team still made money. You still made money. Put your ego to the side. I was like, oh, damn, okay, you're right. And so, 4th of July offer. End of the month offer. It's my birthday offer. I just want to make more money offer. You can make offers for anything. It's literally all right, July 20th right now. All right, until end of July, we're making this offer. I had a lot of my clients do a July 4th offer. And it was man, we love America. We want to make this, we love American-made businesses. We're going to make, for all the local service businesses in our town, we're making you guys a grand slam offer for July 4th. It printed. So many of my clients got quick wins, $5,000, $7,000 paid in full deals like that, because people resonate with that. People want to get a deal, right? And so that is the first one. Goal is close some cash. There's money in your pipeline. There's money in your pipeline. I guarantee it. Unless you started becoming a business owner yesterday, there's money in your pipeline. All right, even if you just started as a business owner yesterday, there's people in your contact list. Dude, go make some calls, right? Now that we got some cash, right, we need predictable leads coming in every single day. You need to have a system that brings you leads every single day. First things first, we want to make sure you wake up to leads. And what we do is we run simple Instagram ads that bring you followers and messengers every single day. And basically we follow a setting framework that then goes and converts them into paid in full deals or monthly recurring revenue deals, right? And so you need inbound leads. And I'm not saying, hey, go take money out of your pocket right now and put it into inbound leads. I'm saying go close some deals that are low-hanging fruit and then put that money into the system so you can keep reinvesting back into the business. That's what you should be doing. Most people make the mistake of making some cash in business and then they go spend it on random crap, right? They go like buy random things and like do random things or like upgrade their lifestyle too quickly. Like chill out a little bit. Chill out a little bit. Like go reinvest back in the business. That's one thing I think I did pretty well. I actually didn't do it that great in the beginning, but I did it pretty well later on. Like now we live in a multiple $1 million home on the water, and like I wanted this like 6 years ago. And like a part of me was like, oh, we can make it work. That would have been the stupidest thing in the world. I have no cash to put back into the business. You need to reinvest back into the business. And so let's talk about this. Let's be real. Relying on referrals is not a predictable strategy to grow your business, like at all. Like this is scary. This is gambling. If you're like, oh man, hopefully we'll get like 1 or 2 referrals this month, you're a gambler. And like, that's sus. Like, what are we talking about here, right? Like that is scary. Local Instagram ads are an absolute cheat code in 2026. Like absolute cheat code. You can get the cheapest cost per call, cheapest customer acquisition cost if you do this the right way. And the crazy part is you can start with a very small budget and still see insane results. Like one of my clients, Trevor, in his first 25 days installing our local ad system and the high ticket offer that working with local service businesses, he spent $400 on ads and made $22,000 cash back. Insane returns. We've seen this happen over and over and over with clients. This is like actually like one of the craziest returns, but we see a lot of them closing crazy amounts of deals for a little bit of ad spend. Again, this depends on how good you are at sales, depends on how, whatever, we teach sales and all that, but some people are better than others. But the point is, I digress, the point is, you can set up a system and get crazy amounts of sales and leads within days, right? And so, here's the main factors of successful ads. So, you want to start with one top of funnel ad. Top of funnel is hitting the cold audiences. And then second ad should be another top of funnel ad, and then third ad should be a case study ad. And they should all be hitting a local audience that's a smaller audience. And this absolutely prints. And so factors for successful ads. Offer. If you run ads and you have a mediocre offer, like, hey, we'll make content for you, you're going to burn through money. Or, hey, we'll run your ads for you. You're going to burn through cash. It needs to be something new, something sexy, something shiny, something that they've never heard of before, right? And so it's like an offer that we're helping our clients install is, hey, we're going to help you install a proven system that brings in leads every single day here on Instagram where none of your competition is already is doing this yet. You're going to get high quality content with a paid ad system. We're going to plug it in. That way you don't have to pay marketing agencies month after month for the next 10 years. And then my clients are printing with this offer. It works so well. So it's new, it's shiny. That's what you need to be selling. Avatar, who are you selling to? Who are you selling to? My advice, sell to service businesses. And don't niche down. Don't niche down too quick. We have over 100 service business ads that print. So there's contractors, turf companies, roofers, mobile detailers, pool installation companies. Right? Insane. Work with these types of businesses. Work with people that have money. There's zero point in making or trying to work with a ton of people. Work with high-end people and charge more. Audience. You need to set up the audience the right way, which we're about to get into in a couple seconds. Ad creative, very important to have ads that are direct, hit on pain points, and are somewhere in the city where they can recognize. And then funnel. Dude, people launch like lead form ads and random funnels, like brutal, especially with beginner budgets. Like if you're spending under like $1,000, $2,000 a month in ads, running it as a traffic campaign and bringing in followers every day and messengers every day is the best way to close a ton of deals for the cheapest amount. This is the most beginner-friendly funnel ever. And a lot of our clients are still doing it at $100,000 a month, $50K a month, and whatnot. And honestly, if you're already like, man, I need some of these systems. I like this Boris guy. He clearly knows what he's talking about. Book in a call down below, all right? There's going to be a link down there. Go check it out. Cool. So let's talk about the types of markets. When you're running ads, you want to also make sure that you're hitting the right type of market. There's 3 different types of markets. There's small towns, and I want to say this. Every single market works. You can absolutely print in every single market. My client Luke hit $100,000 a month in St. George, Utah. This is like Hicksville. This is like the middle of nowhere. Like literally the middle of nowhere. It's like in the middle of the desert. And in a 25-mile radius, he hit $100,000 a month because even easier to take over smaller cities. Mid-range cities like Columbus, Ohio, this is where I'm born and raised. It's a mid-range city. You go like 20 miles out, and then obviously you optimize for like the wealthier areas. And then big cities like LA. You would never want to do like a big circle in LA, a 20-mile radius in LA. This is like the dumbest thing you could do. Because it's so packed with people, you want to take over little pockets. Like we have multiple clients in LA doing 50, 70K a month, and they all took over little pockets of LA, right? And so that's what you do with big cities. Most cities are mid-range and small towns though. And so you want to get hyper-focused on a certain area and become the best known in your area. That's how you sell. All right, and so let's talk about this for a second. Now that you got some cash, are installing local ads, and the craziest thing is you can set up the system today and have leads coming in tomorrow. That's the craziest thing. Like, it's 1:57 on a Monday right now. I could literally set up the system today and wake up leads tomorrow and start booking in deals within 48 hours. It's the craziest thing. Like, you're sleeping on local ads. You might have this limiting belief that you need more money. You need to, like, your business is not ready for it. Like, the scariest place to have your business is relying on referrals and not having a dial-in and client acquisition system. Like, you don't have a business. That's gambling. Each month is like hyper stressful. And so, and then 3, build sales assets. Here's the thing. When you have leads coming in from ads, right? Top of funnel ad number 1, top of funnel ad number 2, they are bringing in, that is an ugly arrow. All right, top of funnel ad number 2, they are bringing in the right avatar, right? Leads are coming in every single day. But just because a lead comes in doesn't mean they like you or trust you. And so you need to understand there's something called a sales cycle. So from the day they come in as a lead to the day they buy, there's a sales cycle. All right, this is a clock. All right, there's a clock. And you can shorten this sales cycle. You can literally, instead of making it a month sales cycle, you can make it a week sales cycle, a 2-week sales cycle. That means you close double the amount of leads. And the easiest way to do that is 1, have retargeting ads, and 2, have high quality content that they see nonstop. When a lead comes in, they do their due diligence. They go and do some research. Is this guy legit? Who is he? Right? And if you're considering working with me and my team, go do your research. Go watch all my case studies. There's hundreds of them. Go check out all of our client wins on Instagram. Like, people do their research. And especially when you're good at what you do, you want to get assets and sales assets and case studies and value in front of them over and over again. That's what you want to do because it breaks down limiting beliefs. And the more they see, the faster they buy. It's very important to have to be authentic and nurturing content while you're scaling ads. This will cut your CAC in half. If you don't know what a CAC is, it's customer acquisition cost. Ideally, your goal in marketing and building your business is to lower your CAC as you scale up. And it's very simple to do that in a local market. And then it's very simple to do that when you have super high quality content. So you want to start with a VSL, which is like a video sales letter, and then stories and content that break down limiting beliefs. And then Looms is a cheat code. We have all of our clients sending personalized videos to the hottest leads, which then gets them over the fence. Absolute cheat code. And some of you might be like, well, what should I make content about? Like, how can I break limiting beliefs? Who do I need to talk? Like, what do I need to talk about? So have Claude or Victor or whatever scrape the top 5 limiting beliefs or constraints your avatar has. Take the Fathom call recordings and have it summarized and give you, we actually built an AI that like every single sales call, we started gathering data and helps me make videos like this that break down limiting beliefs, right? And so the whole goal is to pre-handle every single one of those objections, limiting beliefs, or anything that they think which will stop them from purchasing prior to the call. And this is an absolute like high leverage thing you could do because here's the thing: most people will make content that doesn't even resonate. They don't like they'll talk about topics that they think are important, but not the avatar. The avatar doesn't really think that they're that important. So like actually spend some time doing this because it's gonna be a cheat code for you. And so look, there's a ton of different things you could do to get some cash in your business. Truthfully, like you need to go after your warm list. And then take some of that money and put it into a lead system that brings you leads every single day. And 3rd, make content to nurture up those people. If you want to do this the right way, and you're a content agency, videographer, marketing agency, lead gen agency that's serious about growing your business and hitting record months, and you want to save years and a lot of money and a lot of time, Booking a call with my team will give you a breakdown on exactly how this works, how we can help you out, how we can fix your offer to charge more, how we can help you install our local ad system and work with you one-on-one to install this system. That way you can start waking up to leads every single day. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, book in a call. Talk to you soon. Let's go.